Mom. Huh? This expired in 2017.
No.
Leave the bullion. No, I don't use it for cooking or nothing.
Mama, it's expired.
That don't matter.
Petroleum jelly expired in 1989. Why have you never thrown this away?
It expired in August of 2012.
Expiration date, March 26, 2013.
Mom!
Baking powder.
And how long has it been expired for?
Well, only a 10 and a half years.
Oh.
August of 2015. Not that bad.
Sat 6 years at Heavenly Way.
Put that motherfucking shit back in that refrigerator!